What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and we are rolling on the way to go do another IAA walk around. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so IAA has moved here in Las Vegas. There's a whole brand new facility here, and this would be my very first time coming to the new facility here in Las Vegas, and I had to be honest, I'm slightly excited. It's maybe less dusty on pavement, all kinds of other stuff. Like the game has been stepped up over here, so I'm excited. Here we go. Look at this. Oh, brand new parking lot and everything. Yo, this is so dope. Look at this. Parking, insurance, auto auctions. I see it. Insurance, auto auctions, Las Vegas. All right. Now, if the yard is paved like this, I am going to be so friggin' hype, man. So friggin' hype. Oh my God. Look who made it to Las Vegas. Oh, you have the dual mic system, huh? Look, see, y'all be like all over my stuff, and Sean has way better production quality. He's over here with fucking extra special mics and shit, and I'm literally just out here with an iPhone. All right, so Sean is here. Would that be considered getting exceptionally plowed within the ass, right? Without lube? God damn. Oh! Oh! Jesus Christ. Well, guys, so we're out here at the new IAA yard, and I see all of these goodies. Every time I see one of these old BMWs, they're like, buy me. Oh, there's a Cadillac Alante. Woohoo! But that Audi A8 or S8, looks like it might be an S8 with those brakes. Woohoo!
Tell everybody how hot it is out here.
It's not bad. It's fucking, what, 90? What's your watch say?
93.
Yeah, it's not bad.
It's supposed to be 104.
And it's dry, though. It's not, I know people say, oh, fucking is dry.
So it's in an old woman's cooch, but you don't want to go in there.
True. Yeah, this might be it. Is this an S8? It's from Toro. No, it's an A8L. Wow. It's clean, though. It's sitting. Definitely hammered on. Oh, shit. Somebody did Mopar things with that. God damn. But this right here, is it unlocked?
It's got them drug dealer tinted windows.
No, I just wanted to make sure it didn't smell like ass. I'm good with puking first thing in the morning. I had to do that yesterday from all the drinking. I don't want to do it again. All right.
It's nice and clean.
It is clean.
It don't have power though.
Nope. These usually are really great cars, depending on if it's a V6 or a V8.
I ran that S4 that I had to 150,000 miles for it, right?
Yeah, this one's out of 4 too, so it has that horrible motor in it that has timing chain problems and stuff, like the S4. That's it? It looks like it's got undercarriage damage because the whole front balance is all busted.
Oh, it's got a bent wheel right too.
Yeah. Yeah, they ran over something.
That's what you get for lowering your car like a dumbass.
Yep. Ooh, that's sad. That's sad.
Oh, yeah, look at the front bumper.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. The whole valance and stuff on the bottom, on the front's all smashed. So they probably caught something, ran over it, high rate of speed, maybe busted the oil pan. Who knows?
Ran it from the cops or they were drunk.
It is Toro, so somebody rented it. Yeah. So you were probably right. They're probably doing dope moves. Oh man, what is this? Is this just a regular? Is it a food stamp Challenger, or is it a? It is. Oh no, at least it's a Hemi. Trexis Insurance. Sounds like what happens when you have a 28% interest rate on your car. You have cut rate insurance. I wonder if this qualifies for a farmer's commercial.
Come lift up on this hood just a little bit.
The door still opens. That's a win. All right, let's see here.
Do it slowly. Listen.
Let me know when you're ready.
Yeah, go ahead, pull up a little bit. There you go.
Yeah, it's a 5.7 V8. The Hemi's good. This one's actually, it looks bad,
It's not pushed in too far.
but it's really not bad. You could literally pull off that fender. You'd have to redo this front suspension.
Crash bar.
Yeah, pull that out. Unbolt that.
Frame rails really ain't even.
They're tweaked in, but I wouldn't give a
Slightly.
shit. It's a 2015
Says no key.
Hemi. So,
In pounds, the cops got it.
it's probably stolen, and they probably ran from the cops. Well, that does not surprise me. All right, let's see. Oh, it's got power. Woo!
Got what?
Oh, wait a minute.
I'd be glad that wasn't the electric fence you just grabbed a hold of.
Oh, yeah, no shit, right? I'd be like, woo! And then I'd be like, woo!
Be the best views we ever got on the video.
Oh my God, dude, you got to check that out. Just poke your head in there for a second. Whoo! God, it's been a while since I smelled that.
Kind of weird. Smell anything.
Oh, you have to literally like stick your head all the way in, and then you'll smell it. Yeah.
Somebody died in there.
Yeah. Oof.
Jesus fucking Christ.
Dirty pussy smell. That's disgusting.
Hey, dirty pussy. That's a dead body.
Yeah, that was disgusting.
Ooh.
Whew. God. All right, that was horrible. Ugh. Blech. Another Toro car destroyed. Like,
This is ultra real here.
seeing all these vehicles from Toro, doesn't it just make you want to rent your vehicle out there?
This is why I stopped renting mine in Vegas. Or in, Hawaii.
Oh, man. 2022 Jeep, though.
You can get these roof racks over the fence and you drive them later.
Oh, my God. This is not bad, though. Not bad at all.
That's something to do in front of that.
That's all easily repairable.
Jeep life.
But it probably got totaled because they don't have parts. That's my guess. Can't get parts for it, so they won't fix it. Ugh. God, that smells in my nose for an hour now. God. Another beautiful Toro car, man.
You already know who rented this.
I just like...
Guaranteed somebody came over here from California rented it.
and destroyed it.
Destroyed it.
2017 F-Type. It's sad, man.
Probably hasn't responded to the Turo owner either.
Nope. Wrecked it and just left it.
Posted it.
Yep. And that happens more than you think. It's ridiculous. This one?
Not that one.
The Roadhead edition or the other one? That one's actually not bad. The only thing that sucks about these
Rolled over.
is they're aluminum. It did. It rolled all the way. Oh, that might be a Roadhead edition too. Woo! The whole roof is smashed. Yeah, that one's done. I wonder what they went under. Semi truck?
The ground afterward.
I know, right? I don't smell death over here, so that's a win.
No, we guarantee got ejected.
Yeah, you talking about with the hole in the windshield? Yeah. Ching!
We're gonna get canceled by IAA.
And I'm be like, yo. Oh, there's coconut water in the back.
At least they cared about their health.
Yeah.
Somewhere.
Damn. This whole thing is buckled like you. Ooh. Oh, it's a Power Stroke too, so it does have the 7.3 diesel in it.
Power stroking and got ejected.
Yep. Ding, ding, ding. Ugh.
Okay.
No! I would paint this whole thing white.
Right. And some with Tyler Hoovy.
Yeah. Tyler, I think, already had one of these, but
He did.
I would literally paint this thing white, and I would put I would just get a tag, OJ. Oh, it's because and they opened it up when they got pushed forward. That's sad.
Utah.
You said Utah? Well, judging by the front, they hit something pretty hard. The pole, I'm gonna guess. Pretty right, dead center on. And a low pole.
Their girlfriend was probably on it. They were trying to get him off of it.
Ugh. Damn. Wow, look at all the space they have out here. Oh, and it's right next to the solar farm. That's what's up. Woo.
Food stamp Dodge over here.
Yep.
Oh, there you go. Need a parts car?
Yeah, this X5 is the same color. I could just, I mean, it's a gas, but I could take the body panel. Yep.
The only thing I don't like about yours is the wheels.
I guess they said the diesel is the lowest tier version of that vehicle, but I think it's the best engine.
It's most reliable for a BMW for sure.
Yep. Oh, somebody ate shit in here. I don't know, my seats are better. Oh, these do have the, what do you call it, though?
Yeah, your seats and stuff almost look like brand new inside.
Yeah.
Doesn't really stink.
Doesn't stink, so that's a win. No Badussi in that one. Tires worn. I mean, typical BMW owner. Can't afford to maintain the vehicle. Drive it till the wheels fall off. Everybody's like running and slapping into the poles.
You know what it is? They're leaving the Las Vegas Strip where they've got all the metal things and they're slamming into shit. Look at this one.
Damn! Look what it says on the window. Ready. I bet it is ready.
Finish it.
Yeah, I done chopped and lowered the roof and everything. Damn.
Okay,
We have to check the bus. That might have to be like a independent video. There's nothing in here worth your life. That's what it says inside of this Silverado. But then we open this thing up and somebody stole that shit anyway.
I agree. There ain't nothing in there worth it.
Yo, did they cut the club off? It had a club. It straight had a club, but look at this. And you can see the entire ignition and everything where they've already bypassed and broke that shit.
Mine has a steering wheel lock too. It wraps through it and it goes into the seatbelt buckle.
Hell yeah. Yeah, you're already driving a Mopar, so someone's gonna steal that expeditiously. Now I've seen Hellcats like this, but I have not seen Chevy Volts or whatever the hell this is. Chevy Cruze. It's gotta be a Volt. Oh shit. The hell was that?
Oh, it's an Elantra.
Isn't it a Elantra? It's a Hyundai?
Makes sense.
Kia Boys is taking these joints. They stripped this thing butt naked. They stripped this thing butt naked.
Even got the oil.
Sweet. That's crazy. All right, guys. So, got a couple videos coming out this week from Las Vegas. Sean is in town from Eastern World. I'm gonna leave a link in the description down below to his channel. Highly recommend you go subscribe over there to go check out his channel. I have a feeling you're gonna see lots of the new IAA because until it's 120 and we're walking on black pavement, that might suck. But
I mean, it feels about 120 right now.
I know, right?
It's on the back of my legs.
Whew, cooking out here. But we're about to get into some other stuff. Stay tuned. There'll be another video coming soon. I wonder what a rotten food RV smells like cooking at 120 degrees.
I was looking at it thinking of bait bus.
Bait bus. All right. Make sure you go check out Eastern World. Link in the description down below. And we're going to go check out some RVs coming up here very soon in the next video.